Hi, I'm Robin Sherwood, and I'm with the product management team here at Smartsheet. And today we're going to be talking about card view. Card view is another way that teams can work within Smartsheet, and it's great for agile teams. It's also great for teams that just want to work in a more visual way. Let's take a look. This sheet is modeled off of an order pipeline. So I've got my clients listed as summary rows, and I've got my individual rows as orders for that particular client. And you can see that I've got some dates in here, and I can see a Gantt chart. Now, the way the card view works is I basically take all of my rows and I convert them into little cards, and those get ordered into swim lanes based on a drop-down value. So as long as you have at least one drop-down column in your sheet, you can use card view. So we're going to click over here, and it's just up with the other views like Gantt. And now you can see that those drop-down values are drawn as my swim lanes within the card view. The card view allows drag and drop, so I can move things around. I can reprioritize items within a particular column. I can also move things between columns. Moving between columns is no different than setting that drop-down value. But you'll also notice that as I drag things between columns, my summary rows are still doing math, so they're updating based on the values that are in that column. I can also access any of the other features that are in the row that you would expect. So I can add attachments, I can set up discussions, reminders, I can send an update request and get that response back. And I can also insert new cards from here. One of the other things you'll notice is that I can trigger conditional formatting based on the same calculations. And in this one, it's telling me that I've got too many units in manufacturing. Users can define which fields they want to display in the card, so you can choose the data points that are most relevant to you. I don't need this. Just close that. One of my favorite things about card view, though, is that it's based on a drop-down list, which means that if I have multiple drop-down lists in my sheet, I can actually pivot to view my data in a different way. For example, now I can see my cards by customer as opposed to by the stage of the sales cycle. So that's card view, another way to work in Smartsheet.